Hello, my name is Jay Fullering. I'm part of the product development team here at Wessels Company. And today we're going to be talking about a really cool piece of equipment called the WMT Multipurpose Buffer Tank. And what's cool about this is it's a 3-in-1 replacement unit. So you get 3 pieces of equipment get replaced with this one piece. Maybe even 4 if you include some magnetic filtration. So to start us out, this will replace, as I said, 3 pieces of equipment. You've got a primary secondary header, a air and dirt separator with coalescing media on the inside of the tank, and what it primarily serves as is a buffer tank. Why do you need a buffer tank? You want a buffer of hot water in your hot water system that is always available to be delivered to its application. A lot of times what you also want to do is make sure you've separated your system with a primary loop and a secondary loop. That allows your water heater to run on one side and continuously have a hot water supply inside that's buffered here and then sent out to the rest of your applications on the other secondary loop. Now a lot of times there is air or dirt floating around in your water system, and that's not good for pipes, for pumps, for the longevity of your equipment in the system, and you want to knock that stuff out. So we offer a version of this buffer tank with a coalescing media that does just that. This is a highly configurable piece of equipment. That means we can do all sorts of things when it comes to inlets and outlets, where they're placed, 90 angles, 180 angles. If you work with our custom department, we can work on just about any angle. That makes it easy for installation. We have all sorts of different configurations of the internals, which we'll talk about here in just a sec. All right, so we're now looking at the inside of the tank through a cutaway, and you can see just how configurable this buffer tank can be. We have coalescing media, which can be ordered and installed at any of the inlets and outlets, or it can be done as in a complete piece from inlet to outlet, as it's shown here at the bottom. A buffer tank is going to have a buffer of hot water and to make sure that you always have a hot water supply ready for your uses. As I mentioned before, that's sort of the #1 primary use of the WMT, but what's great about it is it can replace your primary secondary loop piece of equipment, because it can do that too. It can replace your air and dirt separator because you add the coalescing media in here. It can do that too. It can knock air up to the top where it can be released from a valve, and down below the dirt falls and can be sent out through a blowdown valve. And to get those pieces of equipment, you just need to order the Wessels trim package. So like I said, it's a 3-in-1 unit. It does it all, and we're really proud of it. So that's the Wessels WMT multifunctional, multi-purpose, all-in-one buffer tank system. You can find more information about it online at our website, westtank.com. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. Thanks.